A city never stands still. Buildings rise higher, and people reach further. Elevators open up the vertical pathways of the city. They connect people, spaces, and time. Yet urban growth carries unintended side effects: rising temperatures, excessive energy demand, and an escalating climate challenge. Beyond technology, Hyundai Elevator delivers integrated solutions that create environmental and social value, driving a sustainable future. Carbon neutrality is a tangible commitment put into action. With clear milestones, we move responsibly toward net zero. Our smart campuses in Chungju, Korea, and Shanghai, China operate on solar energy and employ AI, IoT, and automation to drive an advanced smart factory system. Across the full product lifecycle, manufacturing, installation, operation, maintenance, and end of life, we work to reduce environmental impact. As part of these efforts, Hyundai Elevator drives continuous R&D in eco-friendly technologies, reducing noise and waste at installation sites while ensuring safer operation. The regenerative inverter recaptures energy generated during elevator operation into electricity and feeds it back to the building's electrical system. In recognition of outstanding performance, Hyundai Elevator has received green certifications and an A rating for energy efficiency. This technology cuts energy consumption by up to 64% compared with conventional inverters, further improving overall energy efficiency. On top of this, the H-belt drive system replaces steel ropes with high-strength belts. It extends service life, optimizes space through lightweight design, and eliminates oil requirements, delivering both cost efficiency and environmental benefits. In the next stage, these innovations take shape in modernization. Through partial replacement of aging elevators with sustainable components, we extend equipment life. By reusing parts, we reduce waste and cut carbon emissions compared with full replacements. Hyundai Elevator keeps resources in continuous circulation. Nationwide, about 14,600 kilograms of used batteries are collected and fed into a recycling system to generate new energy. By using lightweight recyclable materials and components, and even recycling waste, we minimize resource use throughout the product lifecycle. At the heart of every innovation are people and our shared future, and with it, the responsibility for building a sustainable tomorrow. Every product, designed and manufactured with sustainability in mind, features the MIRI View platform, which ensure passenger safety, and the AI-powered MIRI system for the early anomaly detection. It also provides robot-integrated autonomous solutions to enhance operational efficiency. Hyundai Elevator, your technology partner shaping sustainable cities of tomorrow. Mobility to possibility, technology to reality. Hyundai Elevator.